Hello boys and girls, Anatoly here, and you are watching Define Agile YouTube channel, where we talk everything Agile, everything tools that help you with being productive, with having the right process. And today we're talking about Jira, and I'm answering your guys' questions. So I'm happy to record the videos. If you guys have questions, I'm happy to answer them, but please put them in the comments down below or send me an email, defineagile.com@gmail.com, and I'm happy to create a video replying to your requests. And this one is actually also really popular one, and it is how to convert your subtask into a story. And let's go through why it is important. So the workflow many people do is you have a story, and then before you flesh everything out, you go and you create lots of subtasks in this story, and at some point you realize that your subtask is big enough that it can be a separate story. It happens all the time. So it's very important to be able to take the subtask and create a story from it so you can estimate it separately. And it's very easy to do. A lot of people ask me, so it's apparently not very intuitive. But let me show you how to do it. I think it's very easy. You'll get a hang of it. It'll be all cool. So I have a story here, and I have a subtask, sprint 1, that I want to create, then I want to move to be a separate story. So let me just go inside of the story. So we're inside of a story. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to convert the sprint 1 into a separate story. Thing number 1 is to use the subtask, click on 3 dots, click on bulk edit. Now you can have edit issue, move issue, transition issue, delete, watch, stop watching, want to move. Click next. So now it says, okay, I want to move it. The project is the same. I want to move subtask 2. And now we're going to say, I want to move subtask to story. Hop. That's it. If you want to move it to task, you can select task, click next. Says all fields will be retained, blah blah. Send me email, no, next. Then it says okay, this will become story, confirm. Now it's migrating, and you can do it with like 15 stories at the same time, which is pretty cool. So now I click acknowledge, and look at that, no subtask here. Go to Define Agile. Here we're in the backlog. If I go all the way down, my Sprint 1 story is here, the new story created. I want to show you an easy way to do this. If you have, let's go back, what's in Jira? Let's create a subtask. Let's call it Sprint 2 create. So you click on it, Sprint 2. You're inside of it. You click on 3 dots, convert to issue. Up. What do you want to convert it to? I want to convert it to story. Next. Select new status. Status is the same. Updating fields. Original value to do. New value to do. Finish. Boom, we are here. Here is our new story. So if we go to backlog, Sprint 1, Sprint 2. And this is the 2 ways how you can convert your subtasks into stories. If you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. This helps me to spread the word. If you need help with Jira, if you need help setting it up, or with Agile, go to defineagile.com, schedule a consultation. I'll see how my team and myself can help your business. And that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, please put in the comments down below, and I'm happy to hear from you. Talk to you next one. Bye-bye.